Hello friends, welcome back. So guys, today's session we will see how to define how to implement a regular expression demo. Okay, so if you have a condition, every project having the condition, like if you enter in the XYZ details, apart from that, if you are entering any kind of input that a time you need to throw an exception. Okay, so every client having a different error handling services, so you need to perform that. Like if suppose I have a condition user enter in the xyz details, apart from that any kind of input if you're receiving that a time you need to throw an exception, we have a condition. So how you can implement, let's start the demo. Very first I'm creating one flow service. Just right click, new flow service, give the name a regular expression demo. Click on finish. After that define your input and output, so taking one string user and another string in output standard. Okay, after that save the demo, then go to tree tab. Here take one branch, take flow step, evaluate label always false for a switch case. And what I can do, just input output, copy this input, go to tree tab, just click on branch and here slash control V user. Okay, branch on user. Now taking one map step, move right. Here I am performing the labeling. Okay, so in label I am using the regular expression. How you can do that? Just go to label slash forward slash in bracket active pipe mean nothing but this is your or condition. Okay, active, then passive, again pipe and ideal. Okay, ideal. Okay, then so I have a condition, if user having active passive idle, then perform the mapping. Apart from that, any other user coming, that case you need to throw an exception. This is my condition by using the regular expression. Okay. So every project, like as I said, organization having different client, different error handling services. Okay. So according to that, you need to perform your logic. Okay, so in validation part, just you can use the regular expression, and apart from that, in default in null sequences you mention in your error handling services, so that whatever whatever code you define and your code goes to your production, your testing, your QA environment. That case they people directly test the data and the testing performing using the postman. That is the case. And second, I am taking one another map step for dollar default, more right. Then here labeling we have use a dollar default, and this map step I'm doing the one mapping standard I'm mentioning as a correct user. In dollar default I'm throwing an exception. So in standard I'm hard coding the value as a default user, and again taking one map step for a null like null labeling. If you are not entering any kind of a value, then we need to like you need to inform the user, like you can mention the details as well. Okay, so in standard I'm hard coding the value as please enter the values. Okay, and then you can save the demo. Here go to map step and give the labeling as a dollar null and then save the demo. So in live project, this is only three value. If you have another value like active, passive, ideal, and again you have another map step, another condition like 101, 102, 103, any kind of you have, then whatever pattern, whatever input you have, you can mention just slash in bracket, and whatever like you have a input like five input you have, so you just give the pipe sign for or condition. Okay, and just mention your condition, and then dollar default you can mention your error handling services, dollar null if you have any kind of logic, then you can perform here, and then you can save the demo. After that, I'll run this particular demo, run as flow service. Here I'm entering the active. You can see the result as a default user. Why? Because something we missed. I need to check. See, here we mentioned this like forward slash in bracket active pipe passive pipe ideal bracket complete. After that, we need to perform like we need to mention the another forward slash so that it will complete our code. Okay, now you can try. I hope it's working. Now active. Here you can see the correct user. Like whatever mapping we performing here, it will showing the active like this is a correct user. After that, I'll test the second scenario, run as a flow service. Apart from that, I am entering the another value like negative just for implementation. Here you can see the value not match this particular pattern, that's why it will coming to your dollar default. After that, for third implementation, third scenario, not mention any kind of a value, so it will mention as a please enter the details, so that is the case. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. Here we basically define the implementation of your validation error kind of a scenario, regular with a regular expression. So I hope you like and enjoying this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any suggestion, any comment, any part of you like demo, then please mention in description box. I'll try to make the video. If I able to do the particular video, then I'll definitely try to do that. Okay. So that's all about today's demonstration. Thank you so much. Have a great day and have a fun.